Thanks for joining Beth's Keto Kitchen. Today we're making the best keto mashed potatoes, also known as loaded twice-baked cauliflower. So join me and let's get cooking. All right guys, I'm going to do some twice-baked cauliflower. So I have got 2 bags of frozen cauliflower in here that I really boiled the heck out of that. And in my bowl here, I'm adding a half a brick of cream cheese. That's 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to do a half a cup of sour cream. And that's pretty much all I have left in my container here is about a half a cup. So we'll do that. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I have some bacon. There was just about 3 pieces left. So I just have a few of the fresh bacon bits that I'm also going to add in there. And a green onion, and I would say maybe about 1/4 of a cup of those green tops. And we'll do a little bit of salt and pepper. I did put a little bit of chicken bouillon in with my cauliflower when it was boiling, so I didn't do too much salt. I'll probably taste it. So now I'm gonna just pour that hot cauliflower that I drained really well in there. Hot. Let's see if I can fish him out of there. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and start mashing. All right. So let me just get in here with this other masher. And really, I like to get mine pretty mashed up. All right, so I just tasted, and I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic, maybe about a half a teaspoon. I am going to add a titch more pepper, maybe about 1/4. I don't want it too peppery. And wherever my salt went, I want to add a little bit more salt. That's kind of how I cook, you guys. I like to taste as I go. If you wanted to, you could add a little bit of heavy cream. I don't know that I will, and I'm adding in about 1 cup of shredded cheese. You could use whatever type that you want. I personally prefer the cheddar. It just reminds me of like the twice-baked potatoes that I used to make. But honestly, you can't tell the difference. If I don't tell my husband, he just thinks they're really good potatoes. Shh, don't tell him. All right, so I'm gonna zing it up just a little bit more. I'm gonna add a few shakes of Parmesan and just a splash of heavy whipping cream and the rest of those bacon bits. And we'll give that a stir. And then I have my buttered casserole dish. So transfer the mixture to a buttered casserole dish, sprinkle chives on top, bake in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 40 minutes until bubbly. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, like, share with your friends, and leave me a comment. I'd love to know your thoughts. And as always, thanks again for watching, everyone. I appreciate your support. Have a great night.